Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Ogechi. I represent Winners Trading Global, and today we'll be talking about support and resistance on your phone. That is, using your phone to be able to know or place your support and your resistance. Your support and resistance is a necessary tool used by every trader or professional traders to know the extent that the market is going to go, and also know where they can at least leave a particular market, or where the market will get to and begin to turn around. Your support is known as the floor, and your resistance is known as the roof. Now quickly look at this. Is Euro NZD. Now if I bring my crosshair, which is the plus you are seeing there that I used to bring in this line, you notice that when the market gets to this area, it goes back. Look, it happened here 3 times. Look, this didn't get there, it almost got there and came back down. And look at the same thing happened here. Look at the same thing happened here. Then look at the same thing happened here. This didn't get there and it came down. Now look at it. This is known as a resistance. As soon as the market gets to that particular level, that point at the roof, it means that the market may turn around and begin to go back down. Resistance is the one above, while support is the one that happens below. Now look at this. To my left hand side, you see that it got there, went back. To my right hand side, look, it got there and went back. That place is known as a support. Now look at this. This almost got around there and went back. Why did it do that? Because there's supposed to be a support here. Now support means you have to put a line here, or a zone. A line is a line like this, which can be thin or thick, but zone is when the line is very, very thick. Remember, support, this is where we buy from. Your resistance, this is where we sell from. Now quickly, how do we put support and resistance on our Android phone, iPad, or your iPhone? Now once you click on it, you see by your left hand side at the downside, here you have the option where you have the triangle, circle. Click on it, then click on the plus. You go down and you search for your horizontal line. Once you've gotten it, go to the place you want to put it and click on it once and it comes out. Can you see that? Can you see the line? Now, as long as there are 2 dots, on that line. Look at the one by your left hand side and the one on your right hand side on the green line. Those 2 dots means you can carry it all around. You can move it all around. Can you see that? It means it's not locked. But the moment you click on it and the 2 dots are out, it means you can't move it again. If you try to move it, no, it won't go, except you move the whole of that market. So you can click on it, then click and hold. You click on your edit, which is the pencil-like drawing before the waste bin. Click on it. Once you do that, if you look at the downside, you see 3 pixel. 3 pixel means the thickness. You want it to be thicker, you make it 4. If you want to change the color, you click on that color by your right hand side and change the color to your choice. Let's say you use blue. You say done. You see that it becomes very thick. You can see that? Alright, that's your resistance. Now to draw your support, can you see that area? This area I'm talking about. Can you see that each time the market gets to that area, it goes back? Did you see that? It happened here, happened here, it happened here, happened here. This one also reversed and went back. Look at this happened there. So around this area, you can see the thickness from here to around here is a zone. When it's as thick as from here to here, it becomes a zone. But when you're leaving just a line like this, it becomes a support line. Now let's quickly add the line. Click on the plus, go to your line, then put it there. Can you see that? See the way we did it? Like I said, you can click on it, go to your edit, change the color to whatever color you prefer, any color you like. Then you can change the thickness to be light or thick. Let's say we use 2, it becomes light. Can you see it? That becomes your support. We buy from the support and we sell from the resistant area. Now, if you like our video, make sure you click on like and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can have access to a whole lot of videos that we send out for advanced traders and those who are just starting to learn Forex. My name is Stephen Ogechi. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you very much.